Hello, and welcome to the last week of summer reading with Miss Barrett. Today we are going to be reading from Mr. Wolf's class, Lucky Stars again, and we are going to be thinking about and describing how characters in our story respond to major events and challenges. So last time, Samson had just gotten into a bicycle accident on his way down Chicken Hill, and he ended up breaking his right arm, which is his dominant arm, what he does everything with. So now he has to learn how to do things with his left arm, like eating and sleeping and writing. So he is home from school for a little bit to heal up and to learn how to do some more things with his left hand. And he's also still having trouble writing his personal narrative for school. So we are going to jump into chapter 7, which is called A New Perspective. And this chapter is going to jump back and forth between Samson at home and his class at school. So you'll see that they'll flip back and forth every once in a while. So let's get started. So this is the next day. The bus comes. Psh, you hear the door. Meanwhile, Samson is at home. Yawn. The kids are getting off the bus while he's just waking up. Good morning. Nice work. Hexagon, please. Just read her personal narrative, and they're saying clap, clap, clap. And Samson is trying to get that toothpaste on that toothbrush, left-handed. It's a little hard. So squirt, brushing his teeth. Thank you, because Mom has to push in the chair for him because he's having trouble with that. Crunch. He's watching something on his laptop. The end. Yawn. Mom, can I watch another one? No, I think you've watched enough. Fine. Close. Then what should I do? I'm bored. Are you well enough to go back to school? No, not yet, I think. So he watches a fly land on his arm. That's how bored Samson is. Oh, man. So he's still watching that fly, and then he watches it fly off. I know. Why don't you work on your writing? What am I supposed to do? Write left-handed? You tell me what to write, and I'll write it down for you. No, thanks. Well, maybe later then. Everyone at school has probably forgotten about me, he says. They probably don't even know that I exist. So we're going to stop right there. So how is Samson responding to his broken arm right now? And I want you to tell someone near you or tell me through the screen. Yeah, he's not dealing the best with it, is he? Right, he's kind of doesn't know what to do yet. So meanwhile, I wish Samson were here. I wish Samson were here. So was that true when Samson said that they don't even remember he existed? No, he's got friends thinking about him. Out. Mr. Wolf has this question. He's thinking, poor Oscar, without Samson to play with, he's just pacing back and forth. School is so boring without my best friend. Hey, Oscar, come and play Foursquare with us. Come on, it'll be fun. No, thanks. I don't like sports. Shucks. Well, at least I tried, Mr. Wolf is thinking. Mr. Wolf, look out! Bam. He just got hit in the head with a ball. I'm so sorry. It was an accident. It's okay. Do-over. He's seeing a little bit of stars. He's a little dizzy because he just got hit. Let me go back to Samson on his couch at home, just staring at his web of ideas, or no ideas, really. Maybe I can write left-handed. Maybe I'm the best left-handed writer in the whole world. I'll never know if I never try. You all set, Mr. Hemingway? Thanks, Mom. She grabs a pencil. Here goes something. shake, because he's trying to write with the left hand. You can tell he's thinking real hard and concentrating real hard because his tongue is out. Oh no. Snap! His pencil lead just broke. Arr! So he reaches for another pencil. A second attempt. Oops. That's not even words. He's just frustrated. Trying again. Grr! Flip. His pencil flips right out of his hand. Trying again. Very much. Arr! Slam! I can't do it! Honey, it's okay. Don't worry about it. You're still recovering. I know something that will cheer you up. So, how is Samson responding to learning to write left-handed? Yeah, he's not doing so well right now, right? He did try a couple times, which was good, but he's still getting so frustrated. So let's see what Mom has that will cheer him up. Soon, and a scoop of chocolate mousse too. Mousse, that's a strange name for a dessert. Click. With hot fudge, please. You got it. Pump, pump. Whipped cream and rainbow sprinkles? Yes, please. Thank you. Careful. You can see that they're at the mall and she's pushing him around in a chair. So he comes up to the table. He's enjoying his ice cream. How's your ice cream? Delicious. Crunch. Yay. I knew this would cheer him up, Mom is thinking. Say, you're getting pretty good at using your left hand. That's impressive. I'm getting better, he thinks. He wonders. Maybe I am. Well, I guess I have to get better if I don't want to drop my sundae in my lap. Whoops. Crunch. With enough practice and determination, you can learn to do almost anything. Like, isn't that so true? With enough practice and determination, you can learn to do almost anything. How true that is. If you will it, you can do it. Slurp. Mom, I think I'm ready to go back to school tomorrow. Really? Are you sure? Mm-hmm. That's wonderful. But Mom, there's just one problem. He's thinking, dread. I have to finish my homework first. So we go back to school. Nice job, everyone. Sorry, nice job in math today, everyone. You've earned an extra recess. So they're slapping hands because they're real excited about how hard they worked. What are you doing with that stump, Noah? Are you going to climb a tree? So earlier we learned that Noah's personal narrative was about him trying to climb a tree and he couldn't do it. So now he's trying again. This is going to work. Wow. You're doing it, Noah. What are you doing, Molly? I don't know. Just do what I do and roll on the ground. Where are we going? I don't know. Where are we going? We don't know. This looks fun. Where are we going? We don't know. Where are we going? We don't know. Where are we going? We don't know. And Mr. Wolf is super confused as to why this is happening. Mr. Wolf, let me introduce you to our newest board members. Say hello to Mr. Rose and Miss Wax. Hello, nice to meet you. I was showing them how hard we've been working to keep students safe on the playground. Principal Wilcox, should the children be allowed to climb trees? He's like, I did it. Sorry, kids, because he's got to tell them to come down. Noah says, oh, man. Serving. Smack. Back. Stretch. Bobby, you're in. She's really good. Woohoo! Good job, Aziza. Keep it up. Serving. Trick shot 2.0. Score! That was a hold, Stuart. He's frustrated. You're out, Oliver. No, I'm not. You're out. Yeah, you're out. Fine. Be that way. Give it. So instead of handing it over, he kicks it. Pow! Skills. Meanwhile, Mr. Wolf is playing basketball, thinking about all the skills he has. Shoot. Bounce. Mr. Wolf, come quick. Oliver and Stuart are fighting. So how are Oliver and Stuart handling their problem? Is there a better way to solve it? Yeah, I think so too. So Mr. Wolf comes running in to help. And he's kind of explaining the situation. There aren't words, but you can tell he's just talking to Mr. Wolf. Oliver, wait up. Stuart told me that you said something really mean to him. Is that true? That's because he was targeting me, and then he called me a stupid idiot. Is that because you kicked the ball? I guess so. Next time, come see me if there's a problem before it escalates. Neither of you should be calling each other names. My dad says sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. Have you ever heard that phrase before? Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. Do you think that's true? Yeah, I agree. Words can hurt us a lot, can't they? That's why it's so important to watch what we say to others and also to ourselves. So let's see what happens. Do you really believe that? No. Did you try to hurt Stuart with your words? Maybe. How did you feel when Stuart called you a stupid idiot? Bad. So those words did hurt you? I guess so. How do you think Stuart felt when you said that mean thing to him? Really bad. So what should happen now? I should apologize. So he comes over. Oh, hey, Stuart. I'm sorry for saying what I said to you, and I'm sorry for kicking the ball. He's thinking, relief. I'm sorry, Oliver, for calling you a stupid idiot. You're actually one of the smartest people I know. Really? Thank you. Now let's go. We've got to beat Aziza. She's been serving all recess. Yeah. Not so fast, boys. Thinking, what? While I'm pleased to see you two have made up, I'm going to have you take a break from Foursquare for 1 week. Oh, man. Right? But sometimes, most of the time, our actions have consequences, don't they? So sometimes we have to pay for those. Then we see the rat. It's climbing in. Now we go back to Samson's home. Samson, please find a stopping point soon. He's thinking, this is so good. If you want to go to school tomorrow, you'll need to start getting ready for bed. Just a second. I have to finish this. He's thinking and adding more. Look at my story, Mom. My handwriting has gotten a lot better. Nice work. You see, vroom, vroom, vroom. Mom, your phone, because it's vibrating. Oh, Mr. Wolf, thank you for calling. What? He's doing much better. Then Dad comes in. That's not how you spell ulna. Dad, stop it. He'll be back tomorrow morning. Yeah, he's really excited. And he's been working on his homework all evening with his non-dominant hand. So the one that he usually doesn't do things with. Wow, you hear Mr. Wolf say. He's actually making a comic about the accident. He hasn't put down his pencil once in the last hour. I told him you probably wanted him to do just writing, but he's insisting on making it a comic. That's right. Erase, erase. It's your teacher. Do you want to say hello? He says, shake. No. No problem. Thank you again for calling and checking in. You too. Bye. Okay, Samson, how many more minutes do you need? It's getting late. 0 minutes. I'm finished. And now my hand is really cramped because he's been doing a lot of writing and he's not used to writing with that hand either. Sleep tight. Kiss. See you in the morning light. Good night. And Samson's asleep in bed. Okay. So how did Samson respond to trying to write his personal narrative once he got going on it? That's right. He kept trying, right? And he finally did it. Okay. So we have some important lessons in this chapter, didn't we? To keep going even when things get hard and to really watch what we say to others and to ourselves. So those could even be themes to use in writing your own personal narrative. So I hope that this week you either are finishing your personal narrative or you are starting a new personal narrative. And writing can be so much fun. And the more we practice, the better we get, don't we? Yeah. Thanks for joining me on Summer Reading with Miss Barrett. Bye.